Yo, what's up you guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to take a look at a gentleman called Solidia FX. Now, without any further ado, let's get straight to it. Now, the first thing I want to do is thank the gentleman who provided me with the content to be able to provide these videos to you guys today. Thank you very much. You make my life a lot easier. And then I also want to thank today's sponsor, which is Fastbull. Now, with Fastbull, you get up-to-date news with their 24/7 news update. Apart from that, you will also get live analysis that has been put into place by the in-house analyst. And then apart from that, they also have a full economic calendar that you can make use of so you don't miss any news opportunities that is being presented to you. And last but not least, they also have AI signals that basically tells you when to buy and when to sell. It comes with an entry, a TP, and a stop loss as well. Apart from that, they've got a mobile app that you can download as well to make sure that you receive notifications of up-to-date news events to your phone as well. I will pin a link in the comment section below for you to go and check Fastbull out. Download the app, make use of the signals, make use of the free news that they will be providing you as well. Now, let's get over to Solidia FX. Now, according to his Instagram, he trades the German 30, the Nasdaq, and the Dow Jones, right? Now, that is good. If you go through the Instagram, you'll see over here signals. The price was 6,000. It's now 2,000, and the signals is also 1,000 rand, right? Man bought an Audi, some blue screens, blue screens, and some nice food over there as well. Now, the video has been divided into two parts, so we're gonna work through them systematically, okay? So let's get through the first signal here very quickly. Now, this gentleman does trade a lot of news. You basically trades every news event. So if you got news for an entire week, you can expect to trade every news event for that entire week there as well. All right. Now the first signal, eyeball. So the first signal that was sent was on the 1st of Feb. It was a buy on the German 30, which is exactly where we're going to start over here. Now, that signal was sent at 10. There you can see the 1st of Feb. All signals traded through the London is sent at 10 o'clock on the dot. So that's a good thing to see. One thing that is out over here is the signal. You know, it's got no TP, no stop loss, nothing is there. But, you know, like I said, it's always each to their own. If you know how to trade and you can follow or you can guess your lot size or your risk management, then by all means you can follow these signals. If you can't, then I would suggest it's better to just stay away, right? Now the first signal was the blue, beautifully executed. That went beautifully in the blue screens, and then there was some screenshots over there as well. You can see here we are approaching the fundamental signals will come soon. Remember, that was a fundamental signal that you can see over there. Execute now just before the news event took place. I would assume maybe that was the NFP. I'm not sure, but you'll see this message normally just before the news event takes place, and you can see there that it has gone well according to the reactions that you can see over there, and then followed with a blue screens. He's the boss of the bosses. Then it sent results. And then that's his famous, that looks like Terry Bogart. That's the fundamentals. That's the fundamentals we know. Then there was some blue screens from the community. Let me just do this, otherwise let's go. Okay, let's just play it rather. Right, so we've got there we go. Fundamentals. It's fundamental purplot speaking. Fundamental purplot. Yeah, I'm just trying to work through it so that it doesn't go so fast. There we go. London, February the 2nd, I would believe. There we go. February the 2nd. There was a sell on the German 30, which we are gonna go have a look at here. So this sell over here came there, sent into beautiful profits, U-turn. That stop loss was it. Now we can obviously debate whether or not the trade was closed. You can see there was a stop loss used on that trade. So people might have closed the trade, they might have not closed the trade. I don't know. You let me know. Let me know down in the comment section below. Please, let's go. Also, guys, the market breakdown I'm going to record and put it in the Telegram group, right? Just if you're looking for the link for the Telegram, it is on last week's breakdown for you guys. Then there was account management, which I don't think is licensed for, but you can sign up there. 50-50 split, account type bonus, deposit 1,000 Rand. Then they traded the NFP signal. So then that went perfectly. NFP was killed, but I could swear I saw NFP last month. Maybe they killed the wrong NFP. To do or not to do? Here we go. It took 5K to 26K. And then there was some more blue screens in the house. More Teddy Bogart, some flames. Sorry, bro, we tried. Results. Okay, traffic officers, learnership. Okay, he's offering some jobs there for the people also. There's again, we're approaching some fundamentals. I think this was the week where there was just news. Niks undersea, nothing else. Yeah, clock. There was a buy for the news. And I would assume that was blue screens, right? Beautiful. So this guy really knows how to trade the news so far. Eh? There was account management once again. And good day, I hope you are well. Due to load shedding, there won't be a session today. That's good. There, February the 5th, there was another sell on the German 30. Let's go and have a look at. Ooh. Here we go. This trade also went nicely into profits over there. Again, there is no stop loss used on this trade, no TP. So it's like DJ Code says, we are not, wait, you have to apply your own risk management. This is not our decision to do so, right? Any case, so that went into profit and then out of profit again, right? Again, approaching fundamentals, signals are coming. And I would assume that trade didn't go too well because you can see there, not a good way to start the week. Let's make sure we get it tomorrow. Then February the 6th, there was another trade on the German 30, which was also sent at 10. That is why I say this guy is very consistent with the time that he trades. Now this trade over here has gone into profit. You can see there we had a liquidity wick to the upside. That's why I said we are deep in the blues. And then the market says, not today, and it actually made a U-turn, right? Now the good thing is soon you won't be seeing these ads that comes up here on my trading view because Fastbull are busy introducing their own chart where I can do these analysis on, or where I can do these videos from, right? So there's no ads on there, so I'm so excited to see. I can't even wait until that actually takes place. Here we go. Remember to execute at 16:30. Again, we are approaching fundamentals. This didn't look too good, or small accounts didn't survive. That's when you're too young and you swim in the deep side, right? He says small accounts didn't survive, but demo accounts did survive. Right, so, and then I believe also on February the 6th, there was a sell on the US 30 that we're gonna go and take a look at very quickly. Guys, just let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Remember, we all trade differently. If everyone's gonna have a different opinion, because we all trade differently. I think I might have plotted these signals. Yeah, these first ones went good. That one was beautiful. Then we came to the one for the 6th. You can see there just before 8, and the trade actually went into profit. There we go. That is why you can see there we are in deep blues. This is deep. This is deep blues. This is deep blues. This is blues. Is the blue screens. Millions. And it's a blue. Then February the 7th again at 10, we hold the German 30 once again. Right, let's go there. 17 to 30, sorry. Here we go. Again, beautifully executed, right? You can see there at 10. There we go, at 10. Beautiful executed. There we go. Market continued lower, but there was no stop loss, no TP, but overall very good executed trade, right? Beautiful, beautiful execution on that trade. Let's continue. So this guy's got a very good strike rate on the Dow Jones. He just does trade news a lot, if not all the time. Yeah, no. Okay, here we go. Next one was on February the 7th, which was a buy on the US 30 at 4:30, right? February. Let's see. We are approaching fundamentals. I don't know, man. Is this all? This can't be all fundamental news, right? But you can see here this trade went well because I think I'm just gonna judge it based off that, because if he's trading fundamental news, you guys know I don't look at fundamental data, right? We are approaching fundamentals again. I would assume there you can see that was a beautiful trade. And then February the 9th, there was a sell on US 30 that we're gonna go and take a look at very quickly. February the 9th, there was a sell on US 30. February the 9th. Here we go. I think it was just, I'm all over the place. Sorry, this is at February the 9th at 11:22. February the 9th. Oh, no. Something's not right here. This is US 30, right? So February the 9th. I think there was one cent before this. There was that one. There. I don't know what's going on. I might have had these dates wrong, but let's fix it quickly. February the 9th at 11:22, that was a sell, right? So we're gonna go there. 11:22. That's why I prefer, I just prefer Telegram. Sorry, not Telegram. Having the actual details. But for me, Telegram is also a lot easier to basically just to read this from. February the 9th. These dates are overlapping. February the 9th, sell 11:22, which was there. Okay, there was a sell. Sellers got into some drawdown, then made a U-turn to the downside. And then there was a buy at 16:27, which is probably there. There we go. Then there was a buy, a sell, and a buy. That was also of approaching fundamentals. So that might have been a fundamental signal. That's something I can't verify, because it seems like at the start of every signal there is with trading fundamentals. February the 12th, we're going back to the German 30 index. That was sent at 10. February the 12th at 10. February the 12th at 10. There we go. Okay, that was a sell on the German 30, which you can see also. They do come with no stop losses, so you will see over here. The trade went nowhere. It just went into a drawdown. They didn't came into profit. So, I see many people are saying that they are probably better traders than these guys, and I completely agree with it. You are, and there's some of these guys that are good, right? And some of them are just very, very bad. So let's continue over here. We are going to start from there. Oh, did I open the wrong one? Let me just see over here. February the 1st, and this was February the 12th. Where was I now? Yeah, okay, cool. This is just a continuation. That was the buy that we saw there at 10, right? So let's go. I hate it when you go back then and then this thing want to tell you, nah, don't do that. Okay, February the 1st, there was a buy. Let's approaching fundamentals. That looks like it was a good trade, right? I'm just going to judge them off like that now, because it seems like everything was fundamental for the Dow Jones. But I do know there was a week where we basically, I just want to see if I can if I can just get in there very quickly. Let's go back. This was the week of the 12th of Feb. There we go. Okay, well, it doesn't look like it was such a busy week though. Okay, we had news the Tuesday. Nothing the Wednesday. Maybe they might have been there. We had news the Thursday, sorry, and the Friday. I know there was a week with it that it was a little bit busy, so I think that was that. But in any case, we're gonna judge it based off the reaction that we get from people. Okay, the blue screens will tell us there was CPI today, and then we're gonna go CPI. We are approaching CPI, and that is a CPI signal over there. Let's see. We are approaching fundamentals again. That was the 13th, and now we get to the February the 14th, perfectly on time. February the 14th of a year. There we go at 10. If you do see me, there we go. Okay, that market actually went to the opposite side this time around, and then that was a stop loss 16,893. But you can see these stop losses are not used frequently, so I have to apply them where I see them. There we go. Buy. We are approaching. I think with all of these signal reviews that I have done, right? We have seen many people trade the same, but they project it differently, if that makes any sense to anybody. February the 15th, there was a sell on German 30, which was this one over here, right? Now, what I wanted to say earlier was there's a lot of people, who's actually very good. Really. Like, there's some people. I did a guy now the other day, I think it was 2 days ago, before I almost got sick yesterday. That guy was so good. Yet, this guy don't get the kind of views that someone who's not that good gets, right? There's another stop loss that was hit. Then there's retail sales that were traded. Sell US30. I don't like that. Okay, and then... Okay, there we go. February the 16th, there was a buy on the German 30. So I didn't plot all of them, right? I think I just did up until the 21st. But I'll take you guys through the rest of them, right? This was a beautiful executed trade, right, to the upside. We took a dump, but I'm sure that they were able to get that signals. They were able to get the trade out there. We are approaching fundamentals. You can see this one probably went well. So, based on the reaction that we get there. So I'm not sure if these are actual fundamental news. There we got Saleda Lebogang, the boss himself. AccuMarkets sell German 30 on the 19th, which was this one over here. Market also went into some decent profits, so to the downside, and then started to make a U-turn to the upside there as well. And we are in profits. Which again, you can see we did go into some very nice profits in there. And then there was the blue. Then there was, again, we are approaching fundamental signals coming by US 30. And then there was a sell on the German 30, which was sent on the 20th. This trade obviously started off very well. To the downside, into some profits, into drawdown, back into profits. It was basically stuck in a range, if I can say so. Then the last signal for the German 30, there we can see we are approaching fundamentals. Then there was some blue screens, and then there was another buy on the 21st, which was this one over here. We got into a little bit of drawdown and then went perfectly from there as well. So overall, not bad results. However, I still don't trust no TP and no stop losses, right? So there you can see that's the rest of the signals that was sent. Okay, it's kind of difficult to keep up with it. because this guy who sent me the information is going through them very fast. But that's everything, as you can see. Like I say, I don't want to stretch the video too long out, because the average watch time for these videos sits around 7 to 8 minutes. So people tend to just go through the, okay, this. Okay, account management that is not licensed for, still no TP. More people join. There was more signals that was sent. It was sent right through the month until, I would assume, until the end of the month. Let's see, 27th, sell USDT. So, I guess the main question is, do you get the value for your money on these signals? Look, depending on the type of trader you are, right? If you are a very good trader in terms of risk management, then that's the place to go. If you're a new trader, I would suggest that you rather just stay away from that, right? But you guys, you make your own decision. It's your own money that you're probably going to put in there for yourself. And that's about it. Thank you for your time. And as always, cheers for the ears, my good friends.